In the floor plan views and drawing models, we can also add information regarding our defined rooms and zones. So we can add this information inserting the rooms legend and zones legend, selecting the specific 2D graphics object from the drawing menu. As usual, a first click links the object to the mouse cursor, and clicking again sets the insert point. In the rooms legend, you have all of the details and information regarding our defined rooms and compartments, their surface in square meters, glazed surfaces and volumes, and a color map of each single zone. In the zones legend, you have the zones area and color, which were defined previously.